Welcome to helpyourmath.com. In today's problem, we'll be reducing a fraction and simplifying the fraction with the same variable base with different exponents. So the first thing we're going to do in this problem is deal with the parenthesis and exponent, where we have an exponent raised to an exponent for a variable. And here what we're using is the multiplication rule. So what we're doing is, if we have a base to an exponent outside, is multiplying those exponents together to create the new exponent. So here we're going to get n to the negative 6 times 4 divided by n to the 5th times n to the negative 3rd. And here we get negative 24 as a product, and that's our new exponent power. And on the denominator here we have n to the 5th times n to the negative 3rd. Now the next step is to handle the denominator here to get a single term, as we have one term upstairs already. So n to the 5th power, whenever we're multiplying bases with different exponents, we sum the exponent of the base. So a to the n times a to the m would give us a to the n plus m. And here we'll be doing the same exact thing. So here we have n to the negative 24 on top. The bottom we have n to the 5th plus the negative 3rd. So we have n to the negative 24 over n to the 2nd. Now for the final step, we can never have a negative exponent. So we can transpose these exponents to the numerator and denominator at will if we have a negative exponent. In the case of a to the negative n over 1, we just move it to the denominator and it becomes positive. So we'll have 1 over a to the n. In this case, we'll be just transposing it right downstairs. You get 1 over n to the 2nd times n to the 24th. And this becomes 1 over n to the 26th. However, there's another way we could solve this if we use the division principle. To use the division principle, we take the numerator's exponent and the denominator's exponent, and what we're going to do with them are take the base and subtract the two exponents, the numerators from the denominators. The denominators being subtracted from the numerator's exponent, not to get that confused. So if we go back to this step right here, and we take the n to the negative 24th power divided by n to the 2nd, we're going to get n to the negative 24th minus 2. This results in n to the negative 26. And from here, we're going to continue with the rule of inverses. Whenever we have a negative exponent, we transpose it to the denominator. So this n to the negative 26 goes over 1, and we just move this down and change the sign to a positive. That gives us the very same answer. All right, thank you.